2007 LULL 944E-42 again, folks. He's gonna run it around here for y'all. There's your 4-wheel steer. She'll turn on a dime like this, folks. There's your crab steer. Get you into those hard to reach places. And there's your 2-wheel steer. All three at the turn of a switch. It is a 4-speed power shift, as mentioned in the previous video. It is Cummins powered as well. 4-wheel drive. You can come check this lift out here at our lot, 13601 Highway 45 North Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, southern-equipment-llc.com. We sure appreciate y'all watching our videos, and we look forward to you coming to see us.